Hello, my name is Clement. Welcome to the channel from Traveling. That's what's up. We're gonna do some cooking today. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, and follow. It'll help support the channel. Thank you so much. We're gonna preheat the oven. We're gonna take our chicken here, chicken breast, and we're gonna cut it into pieces. All right, so we're making spiced chicken and potato sheet pan bake tonight. All right, so this is the chicken breast we'll be using. We're gonna cut this up. All right, so this is what you should have after your chicken's all chopped up. All right, so now that you have your chicken cut into pieces, this is where you can add your spices and everything else. And the reason why you want to have it cut into pieces so it'll cook evenly. Okay, to chicken we're gonna add pepper. We're gonna add salt. We're gonna add Italian seasoning. We're gonna add paprika. We're gonna add cumin. We're gonna add garlic powder. Then we're gonna mix it. All right, so what you wanna do next is take you some potatoes and cut these into wedges. All right, so we're gonna cut them into wedges and we're gonna leave the skin on because we're baking these. If they're too thick like this, you can always cut them thinner. All right, so after you have your potatoes cut as wedges, you wanna do the same thing with the seasoning and the oil. All right, so for oil, we're putting sesame oil. I'm gonna add the same seasoning to the potatoes. Salt, pepper, garlic, Italian, cumin, paprika, then combine the two. All right, so when you're done, you just dump it all out and this is what you should have. Everything should be seasoned. You feel like you wanna add something else, you can. So I decided to add some carrots and some broccoli because I had some left, so I didn't wanna waste it. So let's put this in there. All right, so I added the extra, the broccoli and the carrots, seasoned everything pretty good. We're gonna pop it in the oven. All right, let's just set our timer to 30 minutes. We'll start with 25 and see what it looks like. So we're gonna start our pasta. So we got our pasta boiling. Gonna let that finish boiling. All right, so I'm just making buttered pasta. I'm just gonna add butter, add a little olive oil, add a little salt, add a little garlic, and I almost forgot some pepper. Okay, we're gonna add our pasta, and we're just gonna stir, get the butter melted. To this, we're gonna add a little Italian seasoning, and we're gonna add some smoking hot vegetables. So you should have something that looks like this, and you can adjust the seasonings as you like. All right, let's see what this looks like. All right, so when it's completed, this is what you'll be looking at. Just check it out and add it to your plate. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. All right, so what we have here is a spiced chicken potato pan bake. I made some garlic noodles and we have it with a salad. And if you like this, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll know when I'm posting new content, whether I'm traveling or creating some type of food dish. Be aware, stay notified. And I would appreciate it because it'll help grow my channel so much, and I thank you.